Hello YouTube, and today I have for you... Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. This is a coin set that has various coins including from Mexico, Russia, Germany, and specifically the reason I bought this coin set is because it has two coins from the city-state of Danzig, which no longer exists, the Free State of Danzig. I purchased this coin set for $45.02, and we'll see if it's going to be worth it. Let's open it up. Why do I get the feeling this is going to be multiple boxes? Oh. That's nicely packaged. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here's the whole collection laid out. There's 66 coins in total, and I'm just going to touch on the valuable coins here. Okay, the first coin we have here, starting right here, is a 1 pfennig from Danzig, year 1926, and it is worth $20. The next coin is a Danzig 10 pfennig, which is worth 1932, which is worth $20. And the third coin is a Danzig 5 pfennig 1932, and it is worth $25. This is a Mexico 1 centavo from 1935. It's worth $1.50. This is an Australia 50-cent piece from 1977. And in that condition it is worth $4. This is a Saudi Arabian 25 halala. It is from 1972, and in that condition it is worth $12. Okay, we have here two coins from India. They are both 1/12 Anna coins. The first one is from 1932. It is worth $10. The next one is a 1931 Bombay issue. Is also worth $10. This coin is going to be a Japanese 50 sen coin from 1946, valued at $2.50. I'll just show you the reverse. Very nice pattern to it. Okay, these next two are two Russian Empire coins. The first one is a 1 kopeck from 1840, and it is worth $30. The next one is also Russian Empire, is a 2 kopeck from 1869, and it is also worth $30. This one's going to be a third Russian Empire coin. It is a 1 kopeck from 1899. It is worth $20. Okay, this next coin is going to be a Norway 5 euro coin from 1896, and this one is probably the highest value in the whole collection. It is worth $40. Okay, these next two coins are going to be a Prince Edward Island, Canada 1 cent from 1871. That is worth approximately $20. And the coin next to it is a French 10 centimes from 1897, and it is worth $30. These next two coins are both from Morocco from 1903. The first one is a 10 mazunas and the next one is a 5 Mazunas. The first one is worth $25, and the next one is worth $5. This next coin here is a Danish coin. It's from Denmark, a 2 kroner from 1925, and it is worth $35. These next 2 coins are from Tunisia. The first one is a half dinar, and the next one is a 1 dinar. The half dinar is from 2021. It's worth $2.50. The other dinar is from 1990, and it's worth $1.30. I really like the pattern on this second one here, on the 1 dinar. Really nice, 2 nice coins. This coin is an Egyptian 5 piastres from 1917, worth $20. And this coin is actually 83.3% silver. These next 2 coins are Canadian nickels. The first one is from 1922, and it is valued at $5. The next one is from 1943, V for Victory, right after World War II, and it is worth $1.80 in that condition. So overall, a really nice collection we have here, especially with the Danzig coins and some other high value coins that were included in the collection. So I paid $45.02 for this, and the coins in the collection are valued at $410.65. So that's a nice profit in this collection. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.